Stately classic 1910 Larchmont home, well cared for by only 3 owners. Many original details: 4 decorative fireplaces, west/wood mantels and mirrors, hardwood floors, moldings, tall ceilings, transom windows, some original lighting, replacement windows, tankless H20 heater. First floor, foyer, elegant front staircase, spacious living room and dining room. A former porch, now cozy den. Kitchen west/exposed brick is ready for you to make it your own. Mud room and full bath. Second floor, primary bed west/bath, 2 other bedrooms, office, flex room west/full bath. Third floor, laundry room, large hall storage closet plus 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Driveway parking and original garage is